advanced fuel treatment really work? Basically, it is a superfood for your engine. It contains some different added formulations that help your cars improve your engine's performance. It saves the fuel life, and it will also help with emissions. The first thing that's in it's an organometallic compound that's a catalyst that ignites fuel to burn at lower temperature. This is more efficient, providing a improved economy with less waste and reducing the emissions out to the planet. So this is good for our environment. This compound burns more BTUs in the fuel. It reduces friction on the pistons, pumps, injectors. This extends the life of the engine. It has detergents that clean the fuel system, allowing engines to operate more efficiently. It has a polymerization retardants that reduce solids that form in the fuel tank and that keep the engine clean, prolongs the life of the engine components. It has a rust and corrosion inhibitor that removes and prevents rust in the fuel systems. It also has a fuel stabilizer that keeps the fuel from breaking down over time, so it gives it a longer shelf life. It's an all-in-one solution. Everything is in small 4-ounce doses. The first application, you put 2 4-ounce doses into your fuel tank. After that, just 1. It's in a foil pack, so it's in a metered little bottle. And it's very small, and you just put it in the hose before you put it in your tank to fill up your fuel. It prolongs engine life by reducing wear. As stated previously, the substances in the formula, FFX formula, is working in sync to keep the engine clean and operating effortlessly. FFX increases fuel economy, and performance results in higher mileage per gallon. It reduces bad emissions and pollutants. This provides a cleaner earth. It improves car performance and horsepower because FFX burns more of the BTUs in the fuel, ensuring better performance. This will mean that if you have a high-performance car where you have to use a higher grade fuel, you can bring down the grade of the fuel, put the additive in, and you still get the same performance with better gas mileage, and or better performance and better gas mileage. In summary, FFX is good for engine and for the planet. It reduces emissions. It improves performance. It improves fuel economy. It prolongs engine life, and it use it with every fill-up. And it's safe for all combustion engines, for all oils and all fuels, diesel and gas. It's a win-win product. If you like this video and find it of value, please follow me, like what I did, leave a comment, and look through the links I have below that might help you to purchase this product if you're interested. Thank you. Have a great day.